Welcome dear students for the revision part 1 of civics lesson family values. This lesson we have already completed before vacations. This is a revision video of the same lesson. First of all, I will tell you the title, family values. If you look at the title, you will find that there are certain values or moral values that we have to follow in our family also and social life. Family and social life. These values are important for not only us, these are important for other people also. Okay, this value if you study it carefully, so these values are quite helpful to our family life also, and they are quite helpful to the life of society also. Okay, so among these some of the important value, today we will be discussing about one value, and that is honesty. So we will be discussing about the first value, that is honesty. So what is honesty is given here, like honesty is telling the truth. It means telling the truth. That is honesty. Though you are not, no one is watching you, no one is looking at you, then also if you are honest, if you are telling the truth, sometimes it happens that when there is no one, people what they do, they are not honest, they don't behave honestly. Because no one is watching them. When no one is watching them, people behave, their behavior is not honest sometimes. It doesn't mean it is always with everyone. But many a time that people are not honest during absence of the people. But it doesn't mean that is honest behavior. When you are behaving honestly, whether someone is looking at you and not. So you must have seen one ad on this. Like there is one ad of Kalyan Jewellers. In that ad, the ad is shooted on big star Amitabh Bachchan. And he has got pension. He has got the pension, and that pension was by mistake. He got the pension by mistake. Actually, he was not getting that pension. It was not expected for him because it was extra. And what he did in the ad is, he went to the bank along with his daughter, and he went to the manager. And he told manager that I have got extra money, which is not mine, that is of government, and I want to return that money. The manager was surprised. Actually, there was a lot of rush, and the manager was telling, what would happen if you keep like this? Who is going to watch you? Because there is no record that this money is given to you. Then why you are much worried about the money? Then the answer of that actor Amitabh Bachchan has given was quite, we can say, appealing. It was appealing. He said, no one is watching, it doesn't mean that my soul, the God, is watching. Means the person who wants to be honest, he doesn't care whether anybody is watching him or not. So we should behave like that. So if no one is looking at you, then also you should be honest. In the absence of anybody, you should be honest. If the person is honest in the absence of anybody, that is the real behavior of honesty. So honesty is telling the truth. Honesty is you explain what really happened. What has happened really, that you are explaining, that is honesty. If you are adding your own or you are making changes in that particular fact, that is not the honesty. Honesty is not spreading rumors. Rumors means many times people spread rumors, this thing has happened, though they don't know anything about them. Still they spread the rumors. So honesty is not spreading the rumors. Then honesty is not cheating or stealing. That is also not honesty. Then here are certain examples of honesty. You can see honesty is being truthful. It is straightforward. And it's fair. If you are honest, it shows people that you are truthworthy also. Okay, this back. There are certain examples of honesty. I will be reading those examples. Like doing what you said you would do. So this is one example. Then next, telling the truth is also one example of honesty. Telling the honesty. Admitting the mistake. Suppose if you have committed a mistake, many times you fight with your friends in the class also. And then many times what is your answer? It is not my fault, it is fault of the other child. But that is not the honesty. If you have committed the mistake, accept it. Don't think of regrets. What you should do? You should have the courage to tell the truth. Though it is your fault, you should tell the truth. So, admitting the mistake is also a honesty. Doing that is not easy. Admitting the mistake is not, though it looks very simple, but it is not easy to admit own mistake. Many times people are not ready to accept their own mistake. Doing the right things is also honesty. Not taking things that aren't yours. Suppose anything you got something on the road, you got a pocket or something you got, and that is not yours. And if you are returning it, if you are trying to return it, then it is your honesty. But if people are keeping with them, that is not the honesty. They are not making excuses, telling the reasons. Excuses means what? Telling the reasons. If the people are telling the reason that they are not honest for their profession, they are not honest for their work. Following the rule is also honesty. More examples that I have write down here, like telling my mom that I was the one who broke the picture home. So sometimes it might have happened that something has fallen from you. Suppose it may be a glass thing and it has broken. So no one was watching, but you know that you have done this. If you are accepting that, that is your honest behavior. Admitting grandma that I ate cookies before dinner. Many times your parents don't want to give you, or they don't want to eat something before. They want you to have good food or balanced food. But sometimes you buy their unnoticing, so that you must have eaten something. So like this also, if you are telling that I have done this, if you are accepting the mistake, that is also a nice or that is honest behavior. Telling my friend that her clothes didn't match when she asked for my opinion. Sometimes it happens that your friend is asking you how I am looking, how my clothes are looking, how my hairstyle is looking. That time you should, suppose you feel that she is not looking good with that clothes, or she is not looking with that particular. So if you are telling that person that you are not looking, this thing is not looking good for you, this thing is not looking good, this is looking good. So if you are telling the truth, though you know that if I am telling the truth, the person may get hurt, then also if you are telling the truth, that is honesty. Then confessing that I didn't do my reading assignments. Many times you tell that I did the homework and I forgot at home. But many times it happens that you have not done, you have not completed your homework. And then also you are telling that I have completed, but I forgot at home. That is not the honesty. If you are telling that I could not do, I have not done the homework, that is honesty. So you should be like that. Then always telling my friends the truth if they ask for my advice. So if your friend is asking for your advice, what is your opinion and what should be done like this? So you should tell the truth. You should tell, though they may get sometimes hurt, but you should try to tell the truth. Admitting that I got help with my math problem. Sometimes you have taken the help of your parents, your friend or someone elders. So you should accept that I have taken the help of my friend or whoever help you have taken. So accepting again it is admitting the mistake. Giving back pencil that I took from classmates. Many times it happens that you require something, you require pen, you require pencil, something in the class, and if you are returning it without hesitation, if you are returning the person from whom you have taken and saying thank you, that is also important. So if you are doing this, then that is also honesty. Okay, not spreading rumors. Rumors, many times it happens that people spread rumors that this thing has happened. They don't know anything about it, but that is not the honest. They should not do this. Confessing to dad that I was playing my game in bed. So there are different examples that I have mentioned here. In your textbook also there are certain examples given, like Sachin Tendulkar once he was playing against one of the team, and the umpire, he couldn't see the situation properly, and he gave a not out to him. And but though umpire, you know that umpire's decision is the final one, no one can challenge. So he could have played or he could have continued his playing, but what he did, he went to pavilion. He went and he declared himself that he is out. Though the umpire has decided him, or umpire has given the decision as a not out, but he himself went to pavilion. He went back. So it shows his honesty. So some people prove that they are honest. Many times you must have seen some poor auto rickshaw person. They got a bag of the passenger. Though they are poor, but they have returned the money to the police station. This must have been seen by you in the newspapers. So, honest, if the person is honest, anything can stop you. You can't stop him. It may be poor person or anything can't stop. So, being honest, a person requires desire to do this. He should think from the heart that I want to be honest. So, then only it is possible. Okay. So, these are the examples. There are number of examples we can give, but due to lack of time, I will not be discussing most of the examples, almost examples. There are certain benefits of being honest. What are the advantages of being honest? Like it promotes authenticity. Authenticity means people will believe on you, people will trust you. Your persons, your boss will trust you, people will be trust on you. They will think that this person is honest and we can trust on you. Then foster courage. Person's courage is increased. His confidence is increased. Shows care. It shows the care for others. Create a circle of love. It may create good relationship with the others persons. If suppose if you are honest, people will trust you. People will believe on you. So that is good for your relationship. Then connection. Then there are certain advantages that I will not be discussing now. Okay. So these are the things that I want to share with you. Now you have to do an activity that is quite simple. So what you have to do, you have to list such behavior that are from your life. So where you have given an example of being honest. For example, if a shopkeeper have given you extra money, suppose you have given him 100 rupees money, and he thought you have given 500 rupees money, note rather. So you have returned the money to the shopkeeper. Remaining 400 if you have returned to shopkeeper, that is your honest behavior. So what you have to do, you have to list such honest behavior where you have shown your honesty. You have shown your honesty, you were honest. So list such things where you were honest. Okay, this will be your activity. And those who have not submitted their worksheet, they have to submit the worksheet before the time. And if you want to get new worksheet, you have to complete previous worksheet. Okay, so this is all about the first topic. Remaining part we will be discussing in the next part. Okay, till then, take care. Have a nice day.